Believe me, this recipe was godsend to me. This low carb, high protein, hot cocoa mix turns out so yummy, so heavenly, you will never believe. Because who doesn't know how beneficial chocolate is for heart, for brain, for depression, and how beneficial collagen or gelatin is for your skin, hair, nails, joints, and so many other things. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. Today we will make low carb, high protein, double chocolate hot cocoa mix. Bodybuilders can certainly take it, and people who wish to lose weight but want to eat something sweet and delicious guilt free can also take this. To make this very delicious cocoa mix, all we need is some dark chocolate chips. But since I did not have dark chocolate chips, I crushed up my 95% Lindt chocolate. Chocolate is actually very healthy for you because it has flavonoids, and these flavonoids are super healthy for your heart as well as for your brain. Also, it has some serotonin precursors, and serotonin, as we all know, is a feel happy hormone. So dark chocolate is absolutely wonderful in case of depression. Next, we will add some freeze dried coconut milk powder. I am adding coconut milk because I want to keep it dairy free, and it is certainly better than all the dairy milk powders that you get in the market, which are dried by subjecting them to very high heat. This high heat destroys all the proteins and enzymes that are present in the milk. Next, I will add some cocoa powder. Make sure your cocoa powder is free from added sugars because it is very difficult to find a cocoa powder that does not have added sugar in it. And I have attached the links to buy all these ingredients online in the description box below. Do view them. Next is our wonderful source of bioabsorbable collagen in the form of gelatin. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen. And instead of going for very expensive collagen powders, I have opted to add gelatin because gelatin is easier to get and it is cheaper also. And you must have seen many protein powders for pre-workout and post-workout meals for those going to the gym. And the thing is, non-animal protein powders like pea protein or whey protein are not as absorbable as animal protein powders like collagen, and gelatin is the cheapest source of collagen. Let me know in the comment section below if you knew this before, and if you want to get more of such information, do subscribe to our channel because these are the types of recipes and information that we share so that you can stay away from the injections, pills and bills of the doctors. Anyway, moving on to our double chocolate hot cocoa mix. Next we will add some sweetener. I am adding stevia, but you can add any sweetener that you like. You can add erythritol, you can add monk fruit, but the thing is, keep it on the lower side. I am adding about half a tablespoon, but my advice is to add a little, then check the sweetness and then add more if you want, because it is very difficult to take out the sweetener once you have mixed everything together. So just like that, your homemade low carb, high protein, double chocolate hot cocoa mix is ready. Now you just have to mix it and you have to put it in your jars and you have to present it to someone you love very much, because this is the kind of gift they will never find in any market. Let me know in the comment section below, did you ever see such a high protein cocoa mix in any market? Anyway, I was so excited to make this hot chocolate mix, I forgot that I did not add the salt. So anyway, I added a pinch of salt and then I mixed it all up together. Actually, my mom told me that if you add salt to anything sweet, that increases its sweetness. Weird, isn't it? Did you know that before? And once I mixed everything together thoroughly, I transferred it to my jar. You can take any jar lying around, but if you want to give it as a gift, take the most beautiful jar that you can find, because this is the most thoughtful gift that you can think of. Like, you won't find any such thing in the market. We have put everything in it that is super healthy. Instead of refined sugars, we have put stevia. Instead of vegetable oil mixed chocolate, we have put dark chocolate. And then for extra boost of energy, we put collagen also in it in the form of gelatin. Anyway, cover it up, label it beautifully, and then present it to whomever you love the most. So let me show you how to make a steaming hot chocolate drink out of it. In your cup, just add 2 tablespoons of this mix. You can add more if you want it more chocolatey, and then pour boiling water on it. You can even pour boiling milk. If you give this to your husband, he can easily find boiling water in his office, isn't it? Anyway, I am adding hot boiling coconut milk over it because I want to make it non-dairy and creamy. And you will feel like an artist once the chocolate dissolves because of the hot milk and this deep dark brown tasty color develops. Now I am adding some marshmallows to my hot chocolate, but these marshmallows are not made out of sugar. These are again made out of gelatin. And to know how to make these marshmallows, you have to keep watching our channel because I'll be uploading the recipe soon. And I bet you cannot find this recipe anywhere else on the internet because these are not marshmallows. These are protein bombs. And those who are interested in bodybuilding, this can sufficiently add to your protein quota. So if you make it for your husband and he opens his jar of hot cocoa mix with love you label on it, every time he wants to drink some hot cocoa in his office, he will be your number one fan. And if you make it for your kids, they will never say no to anything you ask them. So take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.